Hi guys, it's Miss Katie from the Literacy Express, and I'm here today to talk to you about how to use your Sphero SPRK robot with the Sphero Edu App. Specifically, we're going to talk about how to use the Drive program today. So the first thing you have to do is find your Sphero Edu app on your iPad. It is light blue with a white bubble that says EDU. Click on it. It should open to your home page. At the top right, you should see a big blue button that says Connect Robot. Stand near your Sphero robot and press that button. Since I have a lot of active Spheros nearby, I will have a screen open with a lot of Sphero options. Click the one with the highest Bluetooth connectivity bars and wait. The Sphero will alert you that it is ready to play by lighting up. Let's call this Sphero Speedy because she is super fast. Set Speedy, or whatever you name your Sphero, gently on the ground in front of you. These are not toy balls, so please do not bounce or roll them. Then look at your iPad. At the bottom of the screen, you will see 4 options: Home, Programs, Activities, and Drive. Right now we are going to use Drive, so click on that. You should now have a funny looking screen with a lot of circles and lines. So let's learn what they all do. This button helps you aim your Sphero. We'll talk more about that in a second. This circle is your joystick. It controls the Sphero. Push it up and the Sphero moves forward. Down, the Sphero goes backward. Left or right? Well, you get it. This next line is the speed. Push it up to the top for supersonic speed, or all the way to the bottom for turtle speed. As you're just now learning how to use a Sphero, I would keep it in the middle or a bit lower. And finally, you have the ability to change your color and the brightness of your Sphero. Now, before you can start driving your Sphero, there's something very important you need to do. You need to tell that Sphero, who's the boss? Who is the boss? You're the boss. And if you don't tell the Sphero that, it's going to drive crazy and go all over the place. So remember, before you drive your Sphero, you need to tell it, who's the boss? I'm the boss! But not like that. Spheros don't have ears. Use the aim button in the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. See the little blue light? That's like its eyeball. It has to be pointing at you for the Sphero to know you're the boss. Right now, Speedy thinks the chair is the boss. Is the chair the boss? No, I'm the boss. So I move the little circle around to face me. Now Speedy knows I'm the boss, so she'll do what I say. And now I can drive Speedy. So I'm going to stop making this video so I can go play with my Sphero. I hope this has helped you learn how to use your Sphero. So I'll see you later. This has been Miss Katie from the Literacy Express signing off.
Oh yeah, it was totally made using the technology provided by the Literacy Express.